Good day, fellow investors. Primoz here, and this year we're going to win the Tour de France. Hopefully we're going to avoid crashing and beat all the youngsters, growth Pogacars that are out there. So in this video I really want to discuss how in life you either push forward or you go backwards. As you might have seen lately, I have been doing videos almost daily, and last winter I said how I might do 4 a month, and now I'm doing a little bit more. And there were of course many comments how this is not like you said, because God forbid if you say something then you change in life. But okay, I really want to address this because I think I can motivate and help a lot of you. Because I really upgraded my life. I'm now 38, so until 35, 36, you can do a lot of things on youth. But then you enter a phase in life where youth is something of the past, and you really have to be careful what you eat, how you train, how you do, what you do, how you sleep. And the last 2-3 years has really been the shift, and especially this year. This was the big year of the shift for me. I shifted a lot, how I eat, training, sports, this, that, diving, and somehow, suddenly, we eat better, we do this, we do that. Suddenly, I have 10 times the energy I had 10 years ago, 20 times the energy I had 6-8 months ago, and it's still a curve that's now really going into the exponential, and I'm really curious how will this energy look like 6-10 months down the road as I keep on doing it. And also, as YouTube says, my hard work has paid off. Publishing more videos contributed to the channel getting more views, and if we look also at the numbers here, everything is looking better. And if you look at from a longer term perspective, you can see here how YouTube really wants consistency. Every time I would take a break or something, the base would be much lower to start from, and now since I started doing really consistent videos, you can see this upward trend, and I simply feel good, I feel great, I'm happy, I'm thankful for your feedback, for your likes, for your everything. So the environment, the life I'm living now is really great. But I'm also doing more on my research platform, so it's either you go forward or backward. So I do more videos, I also do more other things, I do more training, I spend better time with my family. So it's likely that in life there is no in between. You either push forward hard in all fields or you go backward. And the last month, 2 months, I simply do more of everything. Let me show you. So my research platform, you can take a look if you haven't, but the last months I've been busy looking at small caps. So I've looked at 3,500 small caps, and I'll just show you quickly what have I done last week. So last week, 2 weeks, I've looked at 2,000 of them, and 2000, this is the final summary that I have done, but you can see here also other summaries, but here is the list of 2,000 small caps that I looked, wrote a note, and the most interesting, I wrote something about them. And this is also something that I have changed. I'm now writing just the core investment thesis. I used to write long 30-40 page reports, but now with a little bit more of experience, I just write, okay, this is it, this is the risk and reward, let's put it on our follow list, let's look at it, and then strike when the right time comes. Also, something that's very important, if you check my website, I used to write a lot, and that writing took a lot of time. So last article was published 6 months ago, and before that I would analyze stocks and then write a lot of articles, look at this, look at that. So a lot of articles of stock analysis, one by one. I did a lot of the Austria, Netherlands, etc, etc. Then I would also publish those articles on Seeking Alpha. So there I also stopped because it takes so much time to properly write an article, and let's say I can make a few very good videos in place of just writing an article on those videos. So I think I can reach more of you can give more value by making videos rather than spending time just writing and polishing an article. I will make a video on London Gold just to show you how it works and how it looks like from that perspective. Of course, more videos, more support, more work, and more great things thanks to you. So we are continuing with the Nepalese school, just made a donation for 2 new refurbishments, so that's all thanks to you. Of course, YouTube earnings are donated, so if we look at the earnings here, this is from the last year. We've donated even more than this, so I'm always trying to do more. Now I'll also outsource some of the editing, some of the things that are repetitive, so there will be a cost, but we'll always try to donate more locally and globally. So really thank you for that. And also, for research and investing, I'm coming to a place in life, and this is perhaps the most important quote from Warren Buffett. He said that for the last 70 years, he hasn't had any financial concerns. Soon there will be a new office, so the house that we have been building for the last 2 years will be done. Now I won't have any financial concerns, I hope, in the future, which will allow for real Warren Buffett-like investing. I did really good in the past, but I think that also in the investing game I will be able to step it forward higher, doing better, and that's the whole package. I have to do better. Mind, body, family, relationship, everything. And that's why I'll do my best for YouTube. I'll do my best for the research platform. I told you I eat healthier, I move healthier, I feel healthier, stronger, younger. And at 9 o'clock, I'm still as sharp as 9 o'clock in the morning, so I have the energy to prepare a video like I did for this week. So this is my video preparation, and you can see here how I did 6 videos. It takes me about an hour to prepare one, then I film them all in one day, usually Friday morning, and then edit them Friday late at night. So I have my 4 days for research, which are plenty. You get mad if you do more. 1 day of video filming, editing, publishing, usually across the weekend when I get some time here and there. And I really hope you appreciate what I do. I see that from your subscribing, from the watch time, from everything, from your likes, from your comments, from your support. I really appreciate that. And I'll keep doing my best to educate here on YouTube, to explain the risk and reward of investing so that you can reach your financial goals. That's the long-term goal. So I think it's a win-win-win situation for all the parties involved, for you, for me, for YouTube, for the kids we are helping with our charities. So that's what I'll keep doing despite the negative comments here and there. So the conclusion is, really, we are now late 30s, so it's time to step up, start thinking about life and upgrading it as much as possible, because without health, the money, the earnings, it's just like investing without fundamentals. Sooner or later it is pointless. So it is extremely important to have the correct pillars in life, and I'll try to do my best. I'll go all in to constantly empower and strengthen that muscle that is value investing. You need to constantly practice. It's a lifelong process. And also with the research, with the knowledge, everything compounds over the long term. And I think that the next 20 years will be even better than the past 20 years. So looking forward to your comments. Smash that like button to support everything that we do together here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.